Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by tracking your current K-pop watching and scrolling for 1 week. Count daily totals and note times, like 2 hours per day. Set a clear daily limit to reduce gradually, such as 30 minutes per day. Use a tracking app to log your time and to block access during focused work or sleep times. Write down your baseline and goals on paper. Review totals each weekend to measure progress and adjust limits for the following week. Create a 7-day challenge to replace K-pop streaming with 2 short hobbies daily. Pick 1 physical and 1 creative activity lasting 20 to 40 minutes each. Turn off notifications and use app timers to enforce limits like 30 minutes of fan content. Arrange social support by telling a friend about your plan and asking for check-ins twice weekly. Reward progress weekly with a meaningful zero treat after meeting your time goals. Repeat the challenge to build habit momentum over 4 to 6 weeks. Journal for 10 minutes daily to note triggers, cravings, and emotional patterns before bed. Identify common triggers like boredom, stress, or loneliness and plan alternative responses. Set device curfews such as no screens after 11:00 p.m. and no phones during meals. Commit to 8 therapy or counseling sessions if cravings persist after 1 month of self-management. Use long-term tools like scheduled hobbies, weekly check-ins, and digital blocks to maintain gains. Reassess goals quarterly and celebrate milestones to keep your life balanced and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.